on the sideways.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, cool.
It's still on the sideways.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means this. Oh,
Going outside.
yeah.
Turn it right up.
What do you guys want to do?
No, well,
Gareth,
what
can
we're
you
going,
turn
I was
the
going to
phone up?
video record, so I'll phone you and talk to the boys,
Okay.
and then I was going to pull up to your house and go, oh, look, we got a car like your guys. There's somebody that lives down the road that's got a car like yours. And then I'm going to show them your car. And then I'm like, and they got the same house too. And then we'll see their reaction to see if they run out. But if they don't run out, we're going to walk in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. I will stay inside. Did you wanna call back when you're close?
No,
Or
we'll just keep talking. Sis.
We're here, Dad.
We're here. We're
We're
just
here.
up around the corner.
Did you want the garage door shut?
Is the
Yeah, shut the garage.
is the car outside? Yep. Yeah, do that, sis. Yeah. Yep.
Oh, that's a big fat thing. Can we turn the screen in? And will it see?
Oh, hang on. Oh,
What's happened?
we're
No, my buttons are bumping on the holder.
What's going on?
The buttons closed my phone off, Dad. The clasp.
Oh, yeah, no.
no. It's because I was holding down the buttons.
Just ask Dad to hold it.
Boys, put that phone down, please. Hey, guess who I've got on the phone? Yeah, it's on the Yeah. I'm gonna show Uncle your full haircuts.
Oh, gives a look. Gives a look at your haircuts.
Hey!
Oh, cool, Rome. Look who I'm with. I'm with Granddad. Hi, man.
Hi!
Man. Cool. Who gave you your haircut?
Look at my hair.
Hi, Seiko.
Oh.
Whoa, that's cool.
Oh!
We-
Awesome.
That's a cool haircut.
Where's lyrics?
Yeah.
Where's lyrics? Hold on.
I'm over here.
Cool, bro. What are you doing there? Gives a look at your haircut.
You've got to rotate.
Got bald haircut. Yeah.
You got what?
You got bald. No.
Bold from Baldivis.
Hey, Nev.
Yeah.
There's these people that moved in next door to us, or down the road to us. There's a house that's built and it looks similar to your guys' house, and they've got a car like your house as well, or like your car.
Do they have kids like us?
Probably.
I don't know. We'll have a look. Hold on. I'll show you the car. And what colour's your car?
Oh, it's red. It's like a reddish.
A reddish. Oh, just have a look. Hang on. I want to show you. Is Rome and Seiko there? I want to show them too. Hang on, I'm just trying to look for the house. I'm just gonna. I'll show you their car. Can you see their car?
That looks so similar.
Hey, it looks the. What about their house?
He's unfit.
Wait, that looks like a house.
Oh my man! Been a long time.
Oh, Ocean, you're running! Oh, you can run! Yeah, darling. Hey! Kiss aku. Yes, we made it. Oh, it's just been.
Hi. Oh, hi, Andy. What you got? Oh, you're getting tall. Oh, are you almost tall as Auntie? Oh, cool haircut, yeah.
Hey, the old fella's catching up. He's getting shorter.
Kia ora, my bro.
Oh, you want cuddles?
How tall are you now?
Ooh, big.
Go.
Oh, we made it, brother. We made it.
Look, we're on a hill.
Did you?
Son, I know, you're so tall.
You like that video, Liv? Hey, you clicked onto it straight away. Oh, see that? See that car?
Yeah, Auntie, I'll do it.
Oh, so I seen you. Hang on.
Oh.
That looks like ours. Yeah, we're trying to plan it. We're parked upside the road. Oh, what should we do? We'll just park upside the road. And sis come out, she's like, what do you want us to do? It's like, close the garage door, give the phone to the boys. It's like, we'll see. If they're wrong, they'll come running out. Oh, there was a couple of times we almost slipped in.
Long time holding that one.
Oh.